Feeding a large group of people can stress even the best party planners, but it can be easy and even fun if you're organized.
When you're planning a party, the first thing you want to do is figure out what type of party, what kind of atmosphere you want to create. This way you can build your shopping list. Okay, the main basic items to have for the appetizers are crackers, cheese, slices of cold cuts. Those little things will keep them satisfied.
Clean out your fridge and freezer before you go shopping to make room for all the items you're about to bring home.
If you're having a buffet or a sit-down dinner, you want to go with catering and purchase some pre-made dishes. This way it's easier on you and you can enjoy your guests. Everyone will love them, so you can't go wrong.
Count on 4 to 6 hors d'oeuvres per person if you're serving a meal, and 12 per person if it's just cocktails. And speaking of cocktails, plan on 3 drinks per person. If you're on a tight budget, ask your guests to bring their favorite wine or beer to share with the group.
You definitely want to pick up some sweets from the bakery. That's the best part everybody looks forward to. You get some cookies, you can build your own cookie platter. Usually 2 to 3 cookies per person is sufficient. You can pick up some mini pastries and a nice 7 or 8 inch cake, which could feed 8 to 10 people.
And finally, a good hostess sets the mood of the party. With festive music selection, fresh flowers, and simply by enjoying her guests.
Bravo! Come on, everybody now! Everybody!